Abakaliki, the heartbeat of Ebonyi State. As we drive through these bustling streets, it's impossible to notice the lifeblood of this town, the small business owners. Look around from the fruit sellers neatly stacking their oranges and pineapples by the roadside to shop owners displaying colorful clothes and provisions. Each of them tells a story of resilience, hustle, and dreams. These small businesses might seem tiny in scale, but honestly, they are the real MVPs of any economy. I mean, think about it. Who keeps the everyday wheels turning? It's not the big corporations, it's the market women, the corner shop traders, and the artisans. They're the ones holding the economy down. Look over there. The fruit vendor isn't just selling bananas and watermelons. They are paying school fees, feeding families, and keeping hope alive. And that tailor, carefully adjusting a dress in their shop. I need not remind you that Abakaliki streets are alive with the spirit of small businesses. Provision stores brimming with everything from powdered milk to Indomie. Clothing boutiques showcasing Ankara styles that are to die for. And let's not forget about the Akara and roasted plantain stands, always tempting with their heavenly aroma. You know, in every city or town, these entrepreneurs are like the heartbeats. They pump life into the economy with their grit and determination. And trust me, it's no small feat. Imagine waking up every morning at 5 a.m., setting up your stall, facing the sun, and the rain and the endless haggling customers and still smiling through it all. That's the spirit of Abakaliki's small business owners. And right now, I'm saying cheers to these small business owners in this town. And here's the beauty of it. No matter how big or small, these businesses add value to their communities. That mama selling vegetables on the roadside or foodstuff, she's making sure her neighborhood never runs out of fresh produce, right? The guy hawking recharge cards in traffic or selling phone batteries is a lifeline for so many people trying to stay connected. Honestly, if you ask me, small business owners are the unsung heroes of every town. They don't just build businesses, they build communities. They inspire us with their hustle, their determination, and their never give up attitude. So, next time you're buying suya from that roadside, or grabbing a loaf of bread from a corner shop, or buying a charger from a nearby road hawker, take a moment to appreciate the hard work behind it. Because in towns like Abakaliki, these small businesses don't just survive, they thrive, and they keep the entire city moving. Here's to the small business owners of Abakaliki, the real backbone of our economy. Keep hustling, keep shining, and may your business grow beyond our wildest dreams. Okay, I'll stop here and leave you all to feed your eyes to the beauty that this town brings. It's still your favorite ghost host, Faith Kalu. See you in our next video.